there's a distance between us. It's getting.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to finally pop off this tour because things might be changing and I need to do it, or otherwise y'all will not see the apartment tour and I'm gonna be really sad because I'm gonna be like, I did not show you guys and I told you that I was gonna show you guys and I didn't, and I'd be real ashamed and real embarrassed. So I'm gonna start off this tour by I haven't decided on which one I'm gonna film today. The office tour, which you kind of see the office a little bit over there, or I'm going to do the closet tour, which I really want to do. I'm so excited. I bought some more clothes today, so I'm just like, yes. So yeah, it's gonna be either one of those two tours that you're gonna see first, and then the other one's gonna be next, and then I'm probably gonna do my hair care routine and talk about my natural hair, and then hopefully, if y'all really want to see it, I'm gonna do the apartment tour. So hopefully people want to see it, because I feel like if people tell me, yeah, Brianna, do it, then I'll be more motivated to do it. So let me know, comment down in the section below that you want to see the tour so that I can be motivated to actually give you the tour. Like harass me, like bother me, say, Brianna, hit me up on Instagram, say, hey, where's the tour, you know? And I will work on getting that tour up for you guys. But yes, I'm about to do my closet tour, so I'm gonna show you guys my closet and show you how I organize it and show you a few of my favorite pieces. Right now, one of my favorite things in my closet, well, it was in my closet, it's not in my closet anymore, is this bag. It's vegan. It's by, I wanna say, I have another bag by the same person in the thing. I wanna say it's like New York Express or something like that, NY Express or something like that. But I love, I guess I could just look in the bag and show you who made the bag. It's by Expression NYC. So it's a vegan bag, completely 100% vegan, and doesn't have any harmful. Some persons actually have harmful materials that could like lead and such, that can cause you cancer and stuff. And I'm just like, what? Why would I want to buy that? Oh yeah, this is a safe and vegan-friendly purse. And as you guys know, I'm trying to go vegan. Haven't gone there yet, but I am vegetarian, and so I am following a lot of vegan lifestyles, like converting my clothes and accessories, and I've actually converted my makeup, even though I don't really use makeup anymore. But yeah, so yeah, but yeah, let's get on into the tour. Let me stop rambling and let's get into the tour. Alright guys, so this is my closet door and we're in my bedroom. I'm gonna do the whole bedroom tour when I do the whole apartment tour. So yeah, because you can see my robe like sticking out a little bit, but whatever. And I left the light on so I can show you guys like right away. This is my closet. Isn't it beautiful? That's my closet. I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing you'll notice when you open the door to my closet is this little hook thing with these crystals on top. And I got this from a store called Five Below, and it's rose gold, and it matches my lamp that I have in my bed, and there's a couple of other things in my room that's kind of rose gold. And then you guys have seen this before, it's my sheep robe, which I love so much. And then here is the official closet. Let me just see if I can get the whole thing in here real quick. Okay, so when you go into my closet, I have this fabric down here below. See my feet? They're not painted. But yeah, I got this from Joann's, and I just asked for, I think it was 1.5 yards of fabric, and I put it down. It's like a little soft, you know, I don't know what to say. It's soft on my feet, and I like it. So, so for this side of the closet is just one rack or rail, and it has nothing but shirts, sweaters, shirts, tank tops, t-shirts, all the good stuff's here. Well, not tank tops are somewhere else. I'll show you in a minute. But the color of this is basically, it started off with purple, then it went to red, then it went to this pink color, pinks and the white with color, then some whites and blacks, grays, straight blacks, blues, to this greenish color, to basically yellow. So that's how I color coded my, oh gosh, I wish I could just back up all the way. That's how I color coded my clothing on this side. And yeah, right now, things that I'm into, I would say, is stuff like this. which is just like loose t-shirts. I'm really into that. I actually bought another one today, and it's down here. It's kind of like a pinkish color, which I love a lot. And I'm still into, guys, I got Star Wars. Like, I'm a fan. I have Star Wars. And I'm still into, bodysuits. So I've been getting a couple of bodysuits, but it's kind of hard. I guess it's going out of style. I don't know, but it's really hard for me to find some. But I found a few, and I'm into those. So those are some of my like top fashions that I like. Literally don't have that many clothes. Like, if you were to take away like things like these sweaters, you would see that I have hardly any clothes. So that's why I have my winter stuff still mixed in with my summer stuff. And here right now in South Carolina, the weather's kind of iffy on whether it wants to be spring or summer, so, or winter. So right now you're wearing all types of clothes. So yeah. Then above that is a shelf, and it has all my purses. So these are all my purses, and most of them are, let's see. So this is 9 West, Steve Madden, 9 West, Steve Madden. This one I just got today. It's from Target, and it's on sale for $13. And then this is the other vegan purse I was talking about. Oh, this is by Urban Express, and as you see, it's vegan. And I think it's kind of like a purple color, but it might be gray. I don't know. But I haven't worn it yet because I'm rocking the brown one that I got. So I really love that one. So I'm rocking that one. And then below, let's see if you can see, it's kind of dark, are my hats. I am a natural girl, as y'all see. And it's real hard to put hats on, especially when I wear like the little poof balls that I usually like to wear on my head. But these are the hats that I was wearing whenever my hair is straightened. So, or down, like in a down poof ball, I guess you would say. So yeah, that's that. And then the first big drawer, I have 2 big containers. It's a slim one, and there's a big one. So in the first big drawer is my workout stuff. So when I mean workout stuff, this is like my tank top workout stuff. And I think this one says the struggle is real, or nope, something about it hurts and I'm dying. And I'll fold it back later. Here are my jackets. Over here are my shorts. I just bought these shorts today, and I love them. I look real cute in them. So I might do another workout video, because I did one before of workout fashion, and people seem to like it. So I might do another one. Then these are all my leggings. Love leggings so much. Like, oh my gosh. So, and I bought these. These I just bought. So these were $4.99, guys. So go to Ross. And yeah. That's what that is. And then below that is a drawer I never really go into. These are like my night clothes and some more leggings. But these are the leggings that like kind of like wintry vibes for me. But these are my night clothes, night shirts in the back, night pants in the front. These are just some lazy shirts. Like this shirt literally says lazy on it. So yeah, these are my lazy shirts. And then below that drawer is this last drawer down here. And these are all my shorts and skirts. So I don't have that many. But this is like a winter skirt. And then I have a few other skirts down here. I don't really wear skirts. I really wear a lot of dresses. Some shorts that I have. I really love these shorts. They're high-waisted. I got them for Forever 21. I might do like a spring lookbook for you guys if y'all are interested in that. And then I got some pink shorts to rock for the summer. I really love these shorts. They are also from, I believe, Forever 21. And they're just really beautiful and comfortable. And I have a lot of them. So maybe I'll do a spring lookbook for you guys. I'm totally messing up my closet right now, but I'll fix that a little, you know, I'll fix that later. Over here is the smaller drawer. And in the top one, I have my tank tops. So I have a ton of tank tops, because let's be real, like Forever 21 be hooking you up with those tank tops though. Even though I heard the prices went up, which I'm not loving, but whatever. So I have a ton of tank tops in here, and I like to wear tank tops under all of my just baggy shirts. I got no boobs, so you know, wear tank tops, no bra, living that life. And then this drawer is all my not bras. Psh, this is all my bathing suits. So I have a ton of cute bathing suits. that I don't wear because I can't swim and I don't really go to the beach that much. But yeah, I have a ton of bathing suits, and that's where these all just wish they would be worn. They hang in here and they talk about me not wearing them. And then the last drawer is all my sports bras. Yeah, these are all my sports bras. I don't have that many of them because, yeah. Over here on this side of the drawer, of the two bins, are my galoshes, and I have some duck boots, which are wintry things, but kind of like a rainy, wintry things. They're over there. And then in the middle, I have my focus. Focus. I have my shoe racks. So I got these shoe racks from Walmart, and I love them. They fit perfectly in the closet. As you can see, I don't have that many shoes, but I'm trying to color coordinate them a little bit. Browns, whites, and reds over here, which is mostly a lot of browns. And then over here are all my black shoes, gray shoes. Yeah, but there's boots kind of at the bottom because I don't really wear them that much. These heels that I don't really wear that much. Most of the shoes that I really will wear, kind of like in the middle or at the top. So that's how that works. Then over here on this side, you have my laundry hamper. I have that in the closet. And then I have my work clothes, some work pants, and then some jeans and whatnot. And there's no makeup bag that I don't use anymore. And then up top, okay, so up top is the side. And that is my jackets right here, and my dresses are in the back. So that's how I divided that. Yeah, mostly down here is just jeans, pants, and work clothes on that side. And over here are my jackets, and a few of my favorites are this pink, oh gosh, let me see if I can pull you out, baby. There we go. This beautiful pink jacket. I love this one so much, and I forgot where I got it from. I think it was Ross. Then this jacket right here is one of my favorites. It's green, and my mommy bought it for me, and it's vegan. And then she also bought me this jacket right here. Is my black leather jacket, which I wear a lot. It's not really leather because it's vegan, and she got it for me, and it was like $25, I think, from Burlington. And then over here are all my dresses. So in the front I have like my velvety dresses, and this was color coordinated, but like I've been wearing a lot of dresses now, so I just been putting them up. There's a few rompers in here, like this is a romper, and then there's a blue romper in here, but most of them are dresses. So, and this is like my ball dress from when I graduated from college. We had a black and white ball. I spent $200 on this dress, and I'm never letting it go. I'm gonna wear it for something. And then up above are these bins, white bins. And then in this first bin, oh gosh, you can kind of see what it is. It's scarves and hats, winter hats. This one is like interview type of clothes, like business clothes, like slacks and button shirts and like the suits. I don't do a lot of interviews, so that's why they're in there, and whenever I need them, I just earn them and bring them out. And this one is, I think, more, yeah, more work pants, see? More interview, professional. That's not me right now, so ha. And then in this one, this is light. I have most of my flip-flops and sandals because I've been wearing them, so some of them are in the living room. And that's just all that's in this bin. Huh. And then above me, you will see my chandelier that I made. And I bought the pieces from Michael's and Hobby Lobby and all types of places. And I just made it and used some yarn, and I like it a lot. So yeah. Oh wow, that's the end of the tour. That was my closet. I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any questions about any of the pieces I showed you or anything, just let me know. And yes, that's the end of my beautiful oasis. I'm in love with this closet, guys. Oh, and any extra hangers, I put them over here to buy more clothes. No, that I can buy more clothes. And yeah, that's the end of the closet tour. The closet tour. Alright guys, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys liked the closet tour. I hope it's getting you excited for the full apartment tour. And like I said before, if you guys want to see a full apartment tour, then, you know, hit me up on Snapchat. Wait, yeah. Hit me up on Twitter, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on here, and let me know that you really want to see this apartment tour like ASAP, so I can really focus on working on it and posting it for you guys, because I'm really excited about my apartment. We've gone quite some ways with this apartment from when we first started, so I'm really excited about it, and I really want you guys to be excited about it and be inspired by it. So yeah. And guys, if y'all haven't seen the video, I just posted my bae. His name is Sushi and he's my beta fish, so go check that video out. And yeah guys, I love you so much, and